At Laserliner, we are actively shaping sustainability. In the production, packaging, logistics, and service departments, we rely on environmentally aware and responsible action. Today, the housings of many of our products are already 95% high-quality recycled plastic. In this way, we greatly reduce our energy consumption. The majority of our devices are supplied in new, smaller packagings. These packagings are 100% plastic-free, 75% made of recycled paper, and printed with oil-free printing inks. This makes transport more efficient, consuming less CO2. Don't bin it, repair it. That's our motto. With our 4-year guarantee and the new service workshop, we offer a fast and comprehensive repair service. After the repair, we test, calibrate, and ship your device in reusable cardboard boxes. Our new company headquarters have been built in accordance with the latest energy-saving standards and consume 45% less primary energy. As a DIN ISO 9001 certified company and member of Sedex, we guarantee the highest quality, transparency, and continuous sustainability in all areas. Visit us on site and find out more about Laserliner. We are investing in a green future and are strengthening the Sauerland as a place to do business. Laserliner, we're reducing our ecological footprint.